Wait, how do you guys have 310? I have 280% and I'm max flying.
That's not max flying.
That's 310 is max.
Wait, boosted doesn't get max flying?
No.
No.
Rip.
No. God.
How much is max flying?
Hey, someone be ready to res me.
Did you
Excuse
fall?
me? Let's try Vol'jin and see what
Let's try
happens.
Vol'jin, let's see if we can get it.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
Who's tanking?
Jax.
Jax here,
What?
let me get you set up. Where are you, dude? Oh,
Falling,
Should
falling,
I
falling,
say
falling,
fire?
falling.
Coming in.
No, kill. You stay.
Just talking about
They
that.
probably see. They probably see fucking 20 fucking alliance on their spy right now. They're probably like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm back.
Alright, here we go. You guys ready?
Yep.
I suppose.
Go. Vol'jin's right there. Get him.
I was the first one in. Ah! I don't know.
Get Vol'jin. Take Vol'jin. Just keep him right there on that chair. Alright. Down these guards.
One more.
Healers and casters kind of semi in the back. Melee on the door.
They're Jax, I got
Hounder. Target Hounder. He came in. Throshes are coming in. Hold them in.
Lolita.
Lolita. Don't overextend. Do not go outside.
And Kensho.
You want to call rallying, Crash?
Pull Kinsho in. Okay. Good shit. Do not go out there. Make sure you guys do not go outside there.
Wait, what the fuck? Why is Garrosh here?
He's dead.
It's a sex
He's
slave.
dead.
No, it's just a sex slave.
I knew.
James Bomb. Alright, don't chase him. Keep the damage up on him. This is the time to damage Vol'jin.
You want hair with him?
No, yeah, no.
Okay, no.
Good.
I'm polymorph.
Oh, I'm polyed right now. I
I'll
got
kill
you.
this guy, Zerami, Druid.
Please. He's chasing me, and literally last time we did this, I died.
Hold the mage in, roar, mage roar.
Can somebody taunt Garrosh, please? Anybody?
Polyed again.
is
I
a
don't see
cloth
him at
user?
all.
Hey, I'm gonna
Leoxys.
move
He's
in.
literally chasing me across the. I can't do anything. I can't help the fort if I have to run away from Garrosh.
Hey, I'm moving Vol'jin up here because I can't.
Pulling a healer in. Wait, he ran. out.
Fuck.
Stay in, guys. Just stay inside. Just keep it tight.
Keep it tight.
There we go. Alright, damage Vol'jin. Pulling a healer in. Alright, healer. This guy here is Thorn. Everything you have on him. Okay, good shit. Back on Vol'jin. Range James Bomb at the door. Okay. Back on Vol'jin.
Can somebody please pull Garrosh?
There's nobody there.
There's only one tank.
Hey, but
In here.
you, someone else. There are multiple warriors. You guys not have taunt? You guys could stand
What
a
is
lot
that?
more than a
Okay.
mage.
Alright, Aerosil. Hold him in.
Nobody can see Garrosh.
I'm
can't see
incapacitated.
Druid, Zerami, Druid.
Okay, you see on the very left side of the room?
Crucifier.
I
can't stand
see
here.
anybody.
Yeah, I'm not seeing Garrosh either, unfortunately.
Jungle Drug.
You don't see Garrosh.
Aerosil. At the
I
door.
keep getting polymorphed.
No Garrosh.
Okay, well then I'm just gonna leave. Because that's literally how I died last time.
Alright, don't go outside. Keep it up. Damage Vol'jin. Lolita, pull them in.
Fucking polymorph.
Yep, I'm poly too.
Yeah, I get polymorph like every 10 seconds.
Mondris at the door. Range him. About to pull him in.
He's close.
Disconnected from your channel.
Alright, don't chase him out. Back on Vol'jin.
So did anybody else see
Poly
it?
again.
I didn't see fucking
Yeah, I didn't see anybody else in there either.
I didn't see garage.
Yeah, I don't see garage either. Know what's going on with that.
Alright, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I think. Alright, here we go.
I'm feared. Stun.
Nuke it.
Stun.
Nuke the doorway.
I got stunned, balls.
Damn.
Target is increased. Conflict. Alright, target key. Okay. Target Lyrixis. Target Syncanine. I'm dead. I get beer. Alright. Get on. Noisy boy. This is crazy.
I'm dead. Fuck.
I'm down.
Yeah.
I'm down.
Vanguard.
Fucking dick.
I'm down. Yeah.
Damn.
Did we not get any of them with the nukes?
I don't know. That was weird.
God damn.
Vladis, come catch Rio.
This is the best view right here.
Go catch him. He's falling, dude.
Would be a shame if
Oh, there's a
I were
multi-box
to
over
fall
here.
off.
There's a multi-boxer here.
Oh, over in Thunderbuff.
I say we
He's
wait the
leveling up
flag
like
and get the
8
fuck out of Dodge. Wait,
What's
oh,
his
he's
name?
a low level multi-box.
Yeah,
Oh,
he's
it doesn't
like
matter.
8 people he's leveling.
Oh.
Rio.
My ears.
Freaking fax machines.
Alright, here we go.
Alright. Are we going? What are we doing?
Yep.
I'm fine.
Straight down. Big hut.
Jack to make sure to talk boss.
Which one was blocked?
Karen Blood or Bane.
Literally on
I got knocked off.
Take him, take him to the, keep him right here in the middle. Because we moved him over there, went to the left and the right, and he resets. So just keep him right in the middle. Alright, same thing, guys. Huh?
Do we get an achievement?
If we kill him. We got Solanus' achievement and the Blood Elf one is still.
I'm gonna be concentrating on recruitment tonight. Probably around
Kilthor, get back in.
9 o'clock.
I'm just seeing if anybody's out there.
I got my camera pointed towards the outside.
I'm gonna focus on getting my last 2 eggs.
Everyone, I just want to say I'm proud of you guys, and we're doing good. Just we can't compete against a guild that's been here for 3 years. Wait till we're fucking 6 months. Or less.
Hell yeah, dude.
Like, we're gonna mow shit down like a fucking your front
It,
lawn.
it would
You
be
got a
awesome. It would be awesome if we had like 100 people doing this. That'd be fucking crazy.
Yeah.
Do we even have the PCs for that?
I will here in a month or two. Not even a month. I just need a new graphics card.
We used to crash servers.
User entered your channel.
Hello?
Hello?
Am I too late for the for PvP?
Lightning in. you're not.
Kill Donnie. Kill Donnie, he's in here.
Oh, shit. Nope, nope, where's...
Little sack of shit. Come here.
Oh, I see him.
Sorry. I was doing something.
He's down.
I got it.
Yeah, I started hitting that macro that we made, and I was like, what the fuck? What the fuck? I started tabbing.
We gotta make one for wild too, for like backup. Probably not a bad idea. But no, but when you target for healing,
Right. Yeah. I can call it out because I'll see him, but not for a target back row.
Well,
I don't know if now's the time for a summon.
You're just gonna have to come here.
yeah, we're already in the fight right now. What's your name? Lightning? Thunder Bluff.
Try to keep Bane at the back.
What's the name? What's your name?
Forward.
Wait, is Lightning Pyro? Lightning. Oh no, he just came.
Can you take like 3 steps back, Jack, please? Thank you.
Back. Like,
He's
I
like,
can't
holy
get him
shit.
to come back there.
Yeah, he was like, fuck.
He just walked out much.
Can you not attack really low levels or something?
Yeah. The first couple areas are like their protected areas.
Oh, nice.
Have y'all killed
What's up, Pyro? Not yet, we're fighting him right now.
He's not in line of sight, what the fuck? Tell me he's not in line of sight one more time, I'm gonna
You
lose
guys
it.
can get to the shrine and take the ratchet sword. Probably the fastest way for you guys.
It does.
Uh,
You know, if you want to come
Donnie's
fight,
coming
that'd be great.
Hey, there's
Donnie's back.
there's someone in here.
Donnie.
Donnie, stack him.
He's gonna fuck everything up somehow.
I feel like if there was one man who could stop us, it would be him. And it makes me scared.
I'm gonna pull Druid in. Don't go out after him. Wait till I pull him in. If he lines up with the door again.
See the green skirt.
Druid, come back to the door.
Was there somebody recording this?
I'm right now, actually. I was gonna put it on my YouTube channel.
That's a lot of editing.
I'm just gonna, yeah, I'll just take it to the, I'll just cut the big parts where we're not really doing anything, and that's pretty much it. And then it'll just be us doing the actual fights and shit.
I'm gonna like my face blurred for that too.
That could be done.
I'm gonna call it Sons of Liberty, World PvP, sorta.
Hey, Spence, I'm using Avatar and I'm Wild Strikes. Well, Furious Strikes. You know the glyph that the talent that makes on Wild Strikes. I was like 20 rage, and they're like hitting for like 100k.
God damn.
Holy shit.
Guys, turn it around. How are you ignoring my taunt?
So, how many main cities are we hitting?
I think you guys want to. If you guys want to do the other two too, for people that didn't get it, I'm down.
Undercity and Coast Vanas. Again.
I wouldn't mind doing.
We won't be able to do Vol'jin because we just wiped on that one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
There's too many people there, dude.
We gotta work
too
up.
many.
We gotta work up to Vol'jin.
Yeah,
But we
build the time we could.
We can probably get it like at a later time.
Well, if we got
too.
fucking 200 people, we could do it.
Yeah.
Well, we have 20
Orgrimmar has always been the hardest.
once we can get a 40-man formed, then this shit will be like cakewalk shit. If we get a nice good 40-man, that'd be fucking boss.
Yeah, I just got 54Ks in a row.
Is there another DK in the group? Vlad,
Yeah.
run outside and pull that DK on its mount, and then I'll pull him further in. Nice. Kill us with DK, Donnie.
Poor Donnie.
Dude, that was like perfect. That was a good chain grip right there.
Shall be there as soon as possible.
Actually, yeah. Wait, guys. Stop the
What's
DPS.
that?
Try to kind of stop the DPS. Let's wait for these two guys to get here. How far are you guys?
I'm in Ashton, bro. How far is it?
Oh, that's pretty far.
That was really fucking far.
Should we just do it again?
I don't need the achievement.
Okay. Who needs the achievement?
Pyro.
I don't have it, and I'm already here,
Right.
so.
Pyro. Do you need it?
No, no.
Oh, you don't need the achievement then.
Okay. And Lightning said he didn't either.
This little level 13, he just walked in, now he's gonna watch. Look at him just watching. Royal cheese, and enjoy the front row seat, fam.
Yeah, what's up?
I got Rancor.
Still kind of bad because Bane's one of my favorite leaders.
He just came in here for a quest.
Oh yeah, the low level quest. They have to talk to the leader each time.
That sucks for him. He's about to be talking to a fucking door, fucking
Poor
man
guy.
on the ground.
He's gonna be talking to a format.
I just hit him for 69,000.
Yeah,
Nice.
Oh, Internal got for the Alliance.